Follow Us Fam. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to continue seeing us doing some awesome stuff every day or even on the weekends, whatever it is. So today we're actually here at Lyndhurst Mansion. It's actually one of those rose gardens, and of course, as you can see behind me, a mansion.
That is awesome.
Of course, I dress for the occasion because you already know me.
Yeah, talk to us. What you wearing today, girl? What you wearing? Talk to us.
Today, again, as you know, I love Miss Lola. Miss Lola, again, you did it. It's Miss Lola dress, Miss Lola sandals.
Nice.
And of course, Miss Lola chains.
Ooh.
You can't go wrong without Miss Lola.
Yes.
You gotta love her. Thank you, Miss Lola. But yes, so please continue to watch so you can see exactly how beautiful this garden is. We'll keep on showing you beautiful spots here, where to picnic and things like that for you and your family. So we're actually walking in front of the mansion. Look how it looks amazing. Look at this big beauty. Normally there's tours, but as today we're out of luck. No tours today, but usually you can come in, they'll give you a tour around the whole mansion. Can't wait. One of these days maybe we'll stop by and do it so you guys can check it out. So look, we found something cool right across from the mansion. It's a new place and you could just sit down and enjoy yourself. I guess have a little snack, do a little drinking, draining water. Not that people. Just so you probably could see something in. And look at how beautiful. Look at this.
Oh, this is a sundial.
Oh, this tells you the time?
Yes, that's a sundial. If there was some sun on it, it would tell us the time, but it looks like the sun is being blocked by the trees. They need to manicure the trees so we can see what time it is.
Well, there are some chairs there. Of course, there's safety protocols here. They do tell you to wear your mask when you're in the bathroom, but it's pretty empty. Along the path, there's a little angel water fountain. You can sit down and relax. Look at how pretty that is.
So we're here today at Lyndhurst Mansion, and it's a beautiful, beautiful property. I mean, it is huge, but they do have a lot of space. They have statues, they have little water fountains.
And pretty trees.
And a beautiful woman. They're lucky to have here. But yes, it is beautiful. I mean, check that out. That is a beautiful mansion. I mean, the grounds are huge. This is the front of it. I would say that's a lot. What you guys think, right? And the back is even more. We'll show you that a little later, but yeah. This is huge, beautiful mansion. So check out the statue. This one is covered up, so this one's okay for kids. But yeah, this is cool. It's beautiful. Maybe that water might need a little cleaning, but I'm sure it's fresh water, so that's cool.
Exit tours are suspended. We finally found the notice, and unfortunately, they don't do tours as of yet. Hopefully in the summer when COVID is a little bit better. Hopefully, because look at how pretty it is inside. Yeah,
so that's what we bought too. We bought the daily ground passes, which you could come and tour the grounds, but you can't go in. You can't tour the mansion itself. That's pretty cool inside. Kind of reminds me of Shrek. Check out the architecture right in front of this beautiful mansion.
A quick note, you guys. In order to enter this mansion, it costs $10. If you want to bring your family, you already know the price.
So if you're standing in front of the mansion to the right of it, they call this the laundry house. I guess the owners back in the day had maids, or maybe not maids, that came here and did the laundry away from the house. So they never aired out their dirty laundry. They just kept it next door. So I think we found the rose garden finally. Little secret. Hi, beautiful. Let's go in and check it out.
Like Alice in Wonderland when she's walking through all the rose bushes.
All right, make sure you close it behind you. Wow. This is beautiful. And there's no one here. The sound of grass cutting in the background. There's no door here, but this seems pretty cool. It feels like I'm going through a door. Wow. It's manicured pretty nicely. Oh, look, they got some colors here. So it seems like you go around and around and around.
Crimson Glory Hybrid Tea.
If anybody knows what that means, let me know. We're not green thumbs, but I don't know if that's when they planted it or when it was invented or what, but pretty cool. So we know this garden was made in 1968 because it says it there. There's a plaque right in the middle. There it goes. The Garden Club of Irvington-on-Hudson restored this rose garden in 1968 and continues to maintain it. Pretty cool. So this property is about the size of our neighborhood here, but to tell you the truth, there's maybe 3 or 4 people in this whole place since we've been here. It's cool. I mean, if you want to get out, be alone, just enjoy each other. So we finally made it to the greenhouse. And I think a greenhouse is supposed to have glass. This doesn't have any glass. Yeah, it was a former greenhouse, I guess, but they still let things grow here during the summer, which is cool. They kept the structure. Let's see what this has to say. Wow, so this thing was actually built in 1881. This is the grounds right in front of the greenhouse. And that greenhouse is pretty long. I don't know if we'll do this whole thing today. We're getting tired. Here's a lot of property to walk through, right, Vera?
So look, guys, this used to be a greenhouse. There's no more grass. I guess this was just back in the day. There is trees growing around here, but no plants in here that I see.
Yeah, that's weird. It's just a structure. So these are the only plants that we found growing in this whole greenhouse here, which, by the way, kind of looks like Jurassic World, Jurassic Park.
So we found a water fountain, but I think it's a water fountain, but we won't know until we get close up. Just think it was something that helped plants back in the day. It is really pretty.
I don't know, to me this looks like this was like the ring, and the girl's gonna come up from there and come right out.
Of the well?
Yeah.
Maybe this was a well, but you know how they fill it up with sand and dirt and everything?
Yeah.
Maybe it was.
The girl's gonna come out for me and come get you, but 7 days.
7 days. Babe, let's roll down the hill. Come on.
That sounds good. Let's do it.
Imagine this in the snow.
If Noah was here, he would just go rolling all the way down. You know Noah. But yeah, that's a beautiful view of the Hudson River right there. Wow. So right behind the mansion, there's this building called the bowling alley building. There's actually a bowling alley in here, but this is the restrooms if you ever need it. Yes, there's men and women. There's 2 of them, so you'll be fine. So we're at the bowling alley building, and I think it's an old-fashioned bowling alley. Check that out. Let's see. Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, I definitely want to go in. Let's see if we could go in. Let's try. Let's see if we can get in through that door right there. This is the entrance. It looks like it's closed today, but looks like they do tours on certain days. Might want to check the website, but look at that. They actually play here. That looks fun. So there's an apple orchard here. Really cool. Also behind the mansion, right next to the bowling alley there. Hi, beautiful. I don't think there's any apples to pick though, right?
Not yet. I think it's probably around August, September.
Yeah, they look.
Not yet.
I think they all picked clean. So we just came up that walkway, as you can hear in my voice. We're kind of out of breath, but this, some kind of like willow tree, is beautiful. Wow.
It's beautiful. Feels like a fairy tale.
That's beautiful.
Okay guys, so that sums up today's little trip here at Lyndhurst Mansion. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow our Instagram at FollowUsFam. If you decide to come for some relaxation, always come here. This is a perfect place for your family, for everyone. We did enjoy our time here. It was beautiful and we had so much fun. And don't forget to follow us, fam.